So just roll and relax. Let it fall.
Oh, oh my God, yes.
As requested. He definitely requested the left strap today.
I sure did.
Just go to your happy place, wherever that may be.
Oh, Jesus, again. Oh my God. My back just went.
Never been seen before. We're gonna.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I don't tell people to take their rings out, you know. We'll just gotta do it the hard way here.
Are you going to be able to do it?
Well, yeah, I am. I just don't want to rip your ear out.
No, please don't.
It's like, it's not bad.
Oh my gosh.
It's an easy way to do it. Stop. This is another way to do it. Okay, just relax for me, though.
I'm trying.
I know. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Right in there. Just relax it. Yes. That's good. Very good. Are you okay?
Yes.
Just relax your hand. Just like that. Ooh! Let's go to the other side. It's good. That was good. High five. Yeah. Okay, how was that?
Good. I want to stay here 100 million days.
Okay, good. Yeah. Good old weekly tune-up for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's your favorite? It's good. Just a little. That was bomb.
That's good.
That was great. Actually, that was. There you go. Perfecto. Gotta fall a little more. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was
Okay,
the one.
that was the one.
Oh, wait. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's actually good for you, though.
Oh! That was a lot.
That was a lot. That was bomb.
Good job. Yep. Hey, Kurt walking.
Who's driving home?
She is.
Oh, shit, good.
We're gonna be going fast. The Tesla's driving us home.
These are fresh kicks.
Oh! That was my hip.
Yeah, that's good. That's what we wanted.
My groin. Ah!